Welcome to our YouTube video about endangered species. Endangered species are species that are at risk of becoming extinct due to various factors such as habitat loss, climate change, pollution, hunting, and illegal trade. However, efforts are being made worldwide to conserve and recover these species. Let's have a look. Giant panda, an iconic species of conservation concern. Conservation efforts have focused on protecting its bamboo forest habitat, establishing nature reserves, and captive breeding programs. Amur leopard. The most endangered big cats in the world. Just 100 individuals remain in the wild. Conservation organizations and governments are working to protect its habitat, enforce anti-poaching measures, and raise awareness. The black rhino, heavily targeted for its horn. The black rhino population has shown some signs of recovery in certain areas due to increased law enforcement efforts and established protected areas for the species. Hawksbill sea turtle, they face threats due to illegal trade of their shells, also because of habitat degradation, pollution, climate change. Measures are taken to protect nesting beaches and raise awareness about responsible tourism practices. California condor, critically endangered bird species. Conservation efforts are made including captive breeding programs, habitat restoration, and reintroduction efforts. Sumatran orangutan, habitat loss and illegal hunting have severely affected them. Conservation organizations are working on reforestation projects, establishing protected areas, and inhibiting illegal pet trade. Sumatran tiger, endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. Conservation initiatives involve protecting their remaining forest habitats, improving anti-poaching measures, and promoting sustainable livelihoods for local communities. Blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, endangered due to ship strikes and climate change. Conservation efforts focus on creating protected areas and studying their migration patterns and behavior. Mountain gorilla, found in Virunga Mountains and Bwindi Impenetrable Forest. Very small population left. Conservation efforts include habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, community engagement, and tourism management. Vaquita, found in the Gulf of California, Mexico. Less than 10 individuals left. Conservation efforts involve fishing restrictions, the removal of gill nets from its habitat, and initiatives to support local fishing communities. African elephant, they are threatened by hunting for ivory and habitat loss. Conservation initiatives include anti-poaching patrols, habitat conservation, community-based conservation projects, and international bans on ivory trade. For more interesting videos, subscribe our channel and give your valuable feedback.